Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Today, let us speak. To be successful, we should use the art of taking risk. Now you are knowing risk taking. Is it a mistake? No, it is not at all a mistake. Risk takers go with their eyes open. So you take the risk, but it doesn't mean that close your eyes and take the risk. It is only when we take risk we can achieve something great. Don't be the gamblers. What the gamblers do? They shoot in the dark. But risk takers go with their eyes open. Okay, if I do this, what will happen? We should know that. So, risk taking is very, very important. Let it be in your business, in anything. So, success involves taking calculated risk. Not blind risk, calculated risk. Risk taking does not mean gambling foolishly and behaving irresponsibly. People sometimes mistake irresponsible and harsh behavior as risk taking. I know a good friend of mine. In the name of risk taking, what he did? He had some land. He started working on that, spending a lot. Spending a lot means beyond his ability. And then what happened? He started plantation in that, everything for leveling the ground. He spent a lot. Exorbitant loan was there on him. And at the end, what he had to do? He had to sell the land. There was no other way remaining. So while taking risk in any field, you should take calculated risk. Otherwise, they end up with the negative results and blame it on bad luck. Afterwards, don't tell that business was bad for me and it is bad luck. No. You have to take only calculated risk. Keep your eyes open. And risk taking is relative. It varies, changes from person to person. It depends on our environment, on our experience, and everything. For example, you are going to climb a mountain. With you, there is one trained mountain climber, whereas you are just, you have started, it is your first expedition. And you are knowing the mountain climbing is risky, but to the trained person, it is not irresponsible risk taking, because he knows where to go, how to go, what to do, everything. That is why the proper training gives you confidence while you are doing that activity. The person who never does anything makes no mistakes, no doubt. However, he doesn't realize that not doing anything is his biggest mistake. No doubt, when we do some work, we may commit some mistake. When you don't do anything, no mistake. But what is better? We learn from our errors, from our mistakes. And many opportunities in our life are lost because of indecision. It is habit forming and it is also contagious. Take risk but don't gamble. Take risk. Let me share a short story with you. Once someone asked a farmer if he had planted wheat for the season. He was having farms. That is why they asked what? Whether he had planted wheat. The farmer replied, "No, I haven't." Why? Because I was afraid it wouldn't rain. If it doesn't rain, what to do? That is why I haven't planted wheat. Then the man asked, "Did you plant corn? Because corn needs less water." The farmer said, "No, I was afraid of insects eating the corn." Then the man asked, "What did you plant then?" The farmer said, "Nothing. I played it to be safe. So that no problem of insect, no problem of rain, nothing. I played safe." Is it right whether we should behave in that way? No, never. Never. We should take risk, but let it be calculated risk, not beyond that. Many times what happens, people take risk beyond their capacity, and at the end they have to face so many difficulties, and many they even end up their life. So situations should not happen like that. That is why we should be careful. Whatever we are doing, whatever or wherever we are going to risk, first have a careful study of that. Both, plus and minus both. Have careful study. And with that careful study, if that study tells you to continue it and to take the risk, then okay, take the risk. Otherwise, don't take. That is very, very important. Many times we see people, especially, common example I will give you, when it rains heavily in our Mumbai, what happens in the heavy rains? People are actually asked to stop where they are. But some people who believe that they can do anything on this earth, they are ready to take the risk. And they move ahead. And you are knowing, even on the roads, you can't see where manhole is there. Many of our manholes, you are knowing, without the lids. And many times people lose their lives because of this risk taking. So where we should take the risk, it is in our hands. We have to think over it. At what cost? Okay, I am going to take the risk. But at what cost? It should be thought clearly in our mind. Let it be in business, let it be in whatever day-to-day life as well. We should be very, very careful while taking risk. And we have to take risk. I am not telling you that you should not take risk. You should take risk, but the risk should be calculated risk. The risk taking should help you for your growth. On the other hand, it should not pull you down and down. So let us be careful. Let us learn the matter well. Whatever situation, let us study the situation well and let us take the risk. Have a nice day.